Hello, friends, and welcome back. So, today we have a new activity, and it stems from the book Bear on a Bike. And I love this because in this book, it has so many shapes, friends, so many. I know you may not have this book, but if you replay the video of Teacher Caroline reading this story, you can explore the shapes on the different pages that I'm opening. And another option is something that Teacher Caroline would do in the classroom would be you can go around your house and see how many shapes you can find, because Teacher Caroline has a paper here and I have a dry erase marker. And what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to write down all the fun shapes that we find in the story. So if whatever color paper that you have at home you can use, you don't have to put it on the wall. You can put it on the table. You can do whatever you like. So you can replay the story of Teacher Caroline reading this, or you can go around your home, friends. So let me get the dry erase marker and we're going to get started. So we are going to open it up, friends, and let's see what shapes we can find. Let's see. You're right, friends. That is a circle in the sun. Yes. So we'll put this down and we'll make a circle. There we go. We made a circle. Let's see what other ones we can find. Yes, friends, those are circles. Those are circles too. Those are larger circles on his bike. Okay, so we're going to make a bigger circle there. And what else, friends? What else do we see? Oh, you're right. He has a star on his shirt. You're right. So we're going to make a star on our paper. Do you see any other shapes? Do you see any other? Let's look around. Oh, you're right. Those are rectangles. You're right. So we're going to close the book and we are going to make a rectangle. So those are technically, they're vertical, but they're still rectangles. So you're right, friends. So let's move to the next page and see what we can find. Oh, wow. I remember this, friends. This is when he went to the market. So yes, let's see. You're right. There are a couple. Yes. And yes, that's a circle. So we're going to make another circle for the oranges, friends. Let's see what other shape we can find. Yes. Let's see. Oh, you're right. The potatoes. Yes, the potatoes. Those are like ovals. Yeah. So we're going to make an oval shape because those were oval shaped potatoes. Yes. Let's see what else we can find, friends, in here. What other shapes? Oh, you're right. There's an upside down triangle, friends. You're right. Look at his hat. See how his head is up in the air? You're right. It has three sides. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to make a triangle. And even though it's upside down, friends, it's still a triangle. Good eye, friends. Okay, let's move to the next page and see what we can find. Let's see. Oh, let's look, friends. Let's look and look and look. Oh, you're right. More circles. Because look, on his rack, he has more circles. So let's put another circle. And let's see what else we can find. Oh, you're right, friends. He has his same star. So we're going to put another star on our paper. And we're going to open up and let's see what other shape we can find here, friends. Let's see. Do we find any different shapes on this page? This book has a lot of different shapes. Let's see if we can find it. You're right, friends. There are more circles. Like in the water, those are circles. So we're going to put another circle on here. We're finding a lot of circles, friends. You're right. Yes. You're right. Oh, you saw that too. You're right. The teepees they have over here. This is a triangle because it has three sides. You're right. 1, 2, 3. So we are going to put another triangle because we found another triangle. Oh, friends, you have a good eye. Another rectangle. You're right. So we're going to make another rectangle. We're going to put another rectangle on our paper. And let's see. Yes, friends, another circle for the sun. So we're going to put another circle right next to our oval, okay? So let's see what other shapes can we find. Those are the buffaloes, friends. You're right. They're purple. They might look a little blue on the video, but in the book they're purple. So yeah, they're purple buffaloes. Yes, there's a lot of different colors and shapes. You're right. More triangles. Yes. So we're gonna put another triangle. Yes, you're right. There are a lot. You're right. So here's the train. So what shape? You're right, friends. You're right. There are more stars. You're right. And that is a square. You're right. And that is a rectangle. So we found 3. So we're going to make another star. And we're going to make another square. And then we're going to make another rectangle because you all found those. Let's see if we can find another one. Some more shapes. You're right. More circles. So we're going to put another circle on here. And that is so cool, friends. There's so many shapes. You're right. There's so many. Yes, I love this story. There's so many shapes here that we can find. Let's see if we can find a new shape on this page. Let's see. Let's look around. Yes, there's more stars on her swimsuit. Yes, and there's another triangle. There's another circle. Yes, friends, you're finding them all. More circles. Yes. Yes, that's a square. You're right. That's a rectangle. So what we're going to do, we're going to put, like you said, another circle. There was another triangle. And there was another star on her pajamas. And then we're going to make a small circle, friends. Just small as you can get them. Just like the one on the bucket, we're going to make them small, okay? And then we're going to make another rectangle because we found another rectangle on this page, okay? And we already put the triangle. So let's see what other shape we can find. Yes, more stars, friends. So we are going to put a star down here. Another star, friends. We found another star. So let's keep looking. Let's see if we find more new shapes. Let's see. Oh, you're right, friends. They're fruit. And there's shapes on the trees. There are oranges. What shape is an orange? Oh, you're right. A circle. So we're going to make about the size circle that an orange is. Okay. And then what other ones do we see? Oh, you're right. The stars are on the tree. So we're going to make another star because that is the shape that we see. All right. So we're going to move on to the next page. Oh, you're right, friends. Another circle. So we're going to make a circle about the size of the sun. And oh, wow, there are more stars, friends. We're going to put the star here. Yes. And let's see, friends, we're going to put the star and let's see what other, yes, the balloon. Yes, it's kind of like an oval. Yes, kind of, you're right, friends, kind of like an oval shape. So let's make another oval down here, wherever you want to put it on your paper, okay? Yes. So let's see if we can find new shapes on here. Oh, you're right, friends, another sun. So we're going to make another circle about the size of a sun. And we're going to turn the page to see if we can find more shapes. Oh, you're right, friend. Oh, you're right. We found a new shape. A crescent shape because that is the moon. And you're right. The moon is a crescent shape. So I'm so excited we found a new shape. So we are going to make a crescent, friends. This is a crescent shape. Yes. And let's see, you're right. No more circles in the tires. And then you're right, friends. There are stars in the middle of the circle of the tire in the circle. You're right. So let's see, we can make a really small star. And let's see if we can make a really big circle. There we go. Do you see any more shapes you see any more? Any more? Okay, let's see if we can find any more new shapes. Let's see. Yes, friends, another crescent. You're right. So let's see if we can make a new crescent up here. We'll fit that in. Yes, it's so fun, friends. We found a lot of cool shapes in the story. You're right. We found another crescent, the moon, and we found more stars, and we found the circle. All right, you're right. So let's put that down, friends. Let's make a small circle, and let's make another star, okay? And you're right, friends. The rocket ship has squares in it, so let's make a square. Let's see if we can fit a square in there. So that is our square. Oh, you're right. Another oval. Right, it is an oval. So let's see if we can fit the oval in here. So we have our oval shape, and wow, friends, we come to the end. But you're right that those are a lot of books. And which shape are all of those books? You're right, a square. We found more squares. So let's put a square on our paper. So friends, we found so many shapes in this book, and we put them all on our paper. So if you aren't able to replay Teacher Caroline's storybook when I read this to you, you can go around your house and see if you can find circles, triangles, ovals, stars, rectangles, crescents, hexagons, octagons. If you can find those around your house, you can make them, put them on your paper. You don't have to put it on the wall. You can put your paper on the table. You can go around your house. You can go around the kitchen. You can go around your bedroom, and you can see if you can, what toys you have that are triangles, that are stars, that are crescents, that are rectangles, with our squares, our triangles, ovals, hearts. You can look for any shape around your house, and we can call it a shape hunt if you're unable to replay the storybook. Because if you replay the storybook where Teacher Caroline read this, if you don't have the book at your house, then when I open the book, you can do the activity, and then you say, oh yeah, he has the star, so I'm going to put it on my paper, and that the bike has circles and those were rectangles. So you can watch Teacher Caroline read the story again, and then you can do the activity from that if you don't have the book at your home. And then you can also, outside of that, like I said, go around your home and explore and see what shapes you can find in your house, and then you can put it on your paper. And then after you're done, if you put your paper on the table, on the wall, wherever you like, then you can take it down, and then you can ask mommy and daddy, can I put it on the refrigerator? If you want to put it in your room, wherever you want to put it, you can put it up. And then at the top, you can ask mommy and daddy, how do I spell shapes? And then at the top, you can write shapes. And this is a representation of all the shapes that you found during your hunt, during your shape hunt in the book, in your home. You can do this activity, and I want to hear about it, and I want to see your paper, because I want to see all the shapes that you were able to explore and identify in your home and in the story like Teacher Caroline did. So I hope you enjoyed this activity all about shapes, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye friends, take care, bye-bye.